Alright, what's going on, guys? Alright, what I'm gonna show you is just a chest finisher you can use, or just use it as a pre-exhaust. In this video, I used it as a pre-exhaust. It's the beginning of my workout. Typically what I do is go up, hit a heavy bench. Heavy for me is like at 275 for some reps, and then I came and put the 445s on the pre-exhaust and go into the rest of my workout. So all I'm gonna do in this workout is take the 45s or the 25s, put them on, and then AMRAP every weight. I'll rack it, take a 25 off each side, and go directly back into the workout. No time to rest. Just really trying to pump as much blood as possible into the chest. Get that full look. So yeah, watch this video. Apply it. Don't do it without a spotter. Don't do it with clamps, so that anytime you need to dump the weight, you could easily just dump the weight. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe to the channel. Let's go.
Died on me, but you see the chest pump. I'll show you that. I'm gonna show you the workout one day, but you see the chest pump. I'm only gonna share it to my YouTube. I'm only gonna share it to my YouTube, man. But my camera died. Y'all gonna follow me on YouTube, try to get a pump. Take 10 minutes.